came back from doing a little grocery haul. Let me tell you, it's a tornado outside. It is so windy. And I hope that was the end of it because, you know, we have the fires. And I'm so worried about the wind starting another fire. Or somebody setting another fire. Or the power lines going down. Oh, boy. I'll just be glad when this is over with because I'm just on edge. On edge. As I was saying, it is crazy out there. The Santa Ana winds. Now they have a big fire up in Castaic right now. I'm way on the other end in a different county. In Riverside County. I'm not sure. I think Castaic is LA County. However, I had to go out and get some groceries and come in here. I packed the other day, took a lot of my personal and important belongings to the front door, packed up suitcases and stuff just in case we had to evacuate. Thank God we didn't have to, but it's terrifying. And so I've been gradually trying to put stuff back, but I think I better hold off for now because with these winds, you just never know. I'm looking at the tree out in my backyard. Next door neighbor on the other side of the fence. Hope my fence don't fall down. This one of those acrylic fences from that I had installed through Home Depot, contracted out, and it's supposed to be lifetime guarantee. And this man behind me has this big old thing, I guess antenna signal thing, way up there. I hope it's strong because I don't want that thing blowing over, because if it blows over, it's going on top of my house and it's going to hit my fence. So far it's holding up. Yeah, he's got a couple of those things out there. But it's the wind is moving it. The trees are going crazy. My next door neighbor's fence fell down. Anyway, let me go and unpack this stuff because I'm hungry. Put this food away and try to calm my nerves. A lot of times like this, they'll end up putting the shutting the power down, you know. Oops. So I better make sure everything is charged up in case they do decide to shut the power down. Because when it's windy like this, that's what happens. For safety purposes. Buying these orange juices because you can use these containers afterwards. I use them to put my not dishwashing, but laundry detergent and fabric softener in. I have one up there, so I bought this one today. So when it's empty, fabric softener is going in here. It's a lot easier. Never mind my dirty dishes. I stopped at Marshall's this morning and got one of these. I've been wanting one for a long time. The cupcake and cashmere at home candle warmer. Because I have my candles, but sometimes I hate lighting them because I have asthma and I don't want to smell all that burnt smoke when I turn them off. Blow them out, I mean. So I got this one for $19.99. I was going to order from Amazon, but I decided let me look. And this one is prettier than the ones that I've seen on Amazon, and it's adjustable. And it was cheap because anything fancier would cost a lot more. So check out your little small stores like Amazon, not Amazon, but Home Goods and Marshalls, places like that. I got it set for 2 hours. The candle that I'm burning is the Japanese cherry blossom. I just love the way that stuff smells. I have the bath gel, the lotion, and now I even have the plug-in, and of course the candles. I have my house smelling like Japanese cherry blossoms. See, we're here to adjust, so I can bring it up higher when I want to, put a bigger candle in here. It has a wood base, and here's a switch. Turn it on and set the timer. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Patricia Williamson, and my channel, of course, is P-Dub Stuff. With the Santa Ana winds down here, it's so much dust, and I decided to do a little speed cleaning of this living room, or of my house. I have to do a little bit at a time, of course. So I'm going to start off with the living room and the kitchen for today. The bathroom and the bedrooms, I'm not going to even bother filming that, but yeah, this is going to take enough energy out of me. So enjoy. These pieces of leather I've had for years, and I decided to just put them back here as a way of getting them out the way, storing them. Because I've had so many plans of what I was going to use them for, but never got around to it. I had considered covering my dining room chairs with them, and maybe I will one day. I've cut some of it up to do that, but just never done it. So for now, it's protecting the back of my sofa against the sofa table behind it. My living room is so tiny. I'm trying to make it work. I wouldn't say I have too much furniture. I have the sectional and 2 chairs, of course the ottoman. The living room is more narrow in the position that the couch is facing, and longer in the opposite direction, but I have my TV on the particular wall that I prefer as my entertainment center area. So that's what you're looking at here. This is it. As you can see, it's a little snug. I dusted everything back there and behind the couch. Dusted all this off. I didn't bother to film all that. I had to take breaks. Did all this. There was so much dust. And then of course all the windstorms out here. I'm not saying it got in my house, but it was dusty. I got down on the floor, got underneath there and cleaned underneath. There was so much dust. It's been a long time since I've cleaned under there. And I wanted to hook up this lamp, this candle light underneath there. When I went under there, oh my God, it was disgusting. So everything has been dusted, clean, the equipment, the shelves, everything wiped down. Shelf up there, dusted. Thing about having hardwood floors, it allows you to see how much dust is actually building up in your carpet every day. Even though I hate carpet, I still have my little accent rugs. Even though this one I want to get rid of. But in time, it's no big rush. This one I would like to replace it with the one in the bedroom and get something different for here. But for now, this is okay. I cleaned those shelves off. I didn't do a lot of dusting. Top of the picture frames, dust. I moved the Olive Atelier bench back in here. Moved these chairs. I think this way for now is better because as you can see, my living room is tiny. And trying to fit all this stuff in here is not that easy. But yeah. Also, a new addition to this living room are these lights. So imagine this at night, and then it lights up underneath here as well. But you've probably seen that already. So this whole thing is lit up. I really would love to build a fireplace here. TV mounted on the wall, a built-in, and then have, you know, the fireplace underneath. I've been looking at some, like, you know, I don't know if this is your first time. I've mentioned before that my concern is what's on the other side of the wall, which is my gas stove. They might hit the gas line. So for now, I'm just gonna leave well enough alone.